Okay, everyone. So here we are, sitting on a big rock at the creek. My video stopped. I don't know why. I think it probably hit the 12-minute mark and I don't have much memory left, so it stops there. But I'll do what I had just did a minute ago, not knowing I wasn't being filmed. So hey, everyone. This rock is humongous. Don't know if you can see me, but it's huge. So we're just laying down. And there's a pocket of sky that you can see up there too. Cool, eh? Very cool. Oh, you can't see it. I can see it. I guess I better turn this around. There's the pocket of sky you can see laying down. Let's get up and check out what I had seen. And sorry, I don't know how my phone turned off. Like I said, it just does by itself. I am getting a new one this week. But, whew, I hear people, don't know where they are. That's rather cool. I'm gonna pop my phone in a little tighter before I do this. Look at that from way up here. Cool, eh? I like that. And look, this is the creek. Look how big these rocks are. That one, look at the trees growing out of it, and that's a rock that fell into the creek. Should we? Do I walk the rocks? You guys want to walk the rocks? Here, I've never done this. Let's see if I can do it. Oh, my shoe is untied, you guys, so hang on. I'm gonna open up my stand if you hear noise. Sit that down for a second. It's not gonna stand. I apologize if my arm's in your way. There you go. So, let's go for a cool walk on the rocks. Wow. There's some, oh, can you guys see him? Where'd he go? There's a little frog chilling. Hi, little froggy. I'm just gonna go past your little home here. I better get it back out of zoom. Ooh, but look at that, even water trickling from right there. And this is cool, you guys. It's like a little cave in there. Wow. Lots of rocks to climb up. Can't believe under all this rock is the creek. I said so in the other video. This is the Bruce Trail. Well, we came off the trail up there. But this is 40 Mile Creek. And under all the huge boulders, here, I'll let you listen. You can hear the water going under all those rocks. Wow, this place is cool. Holy crow. Okay, I'm gonna stop you guys and restart another. Oh, maybe not. I thought they were coming, so we're just gonna let it be and keep going. Again, sorry if I wiggle, but I am doing a bit of this one-handed. Ooh, there's some funky fossilized rocks or something here. Wow, look at the size of them. Hard to believe they just fell right off the escarpment. Too bad someone's here. I like when it's just me in another world. Oh, pardon me, not just me. Me and you in another world. Oh, this is cool. Oh, I just startled a froggy. Hope you guys caught that. This is beautiful, except for that piece of wood in the water, but wood does deteriorate. Oh, oh, more frogs. Okay. Excuse me. Those guys aren't coming. Wow, eh? I know what we can do. Let's jump this rock. And, woo! Wow, there really are some funky rocks. Look at that. It's all raised. That's really cool. Really cool. Huh. Those guys are sitting there. Ooh, the sun's shining in the water now. Huh. Oh, the water spiders. Let's see if I can make it out, their shadow. See their shadows on the rocks? They kind of look like paw prints. That's cool. You can hear. Let's cross these rocks. And this video, I will sit right here for you for just a few minutes. If I can. Let me figure that out with my tripod. There. I'm gonna tilt it down just a little for you guys and try that one. That might work. Enjoy the sounds for a little bit, everyone. So sweet as sugar if you're watching this one. I hope you like this little hike. Oh, I love the sound of that. Okay, I'm gonna stop this video in a moment, but I think we're gonna keep walking this creek because this is pretty freaking awesome. I have a lot more to hike. So I'm going to spin this around. And don't know if you can see me. Namaste, everyone. Peace out. Thanks for joining me. Let's go on some more. I'll start another video.